Good morning, students. Last class we were discussing about the problems of electricity. This is we have already solved 14 problems of exercise. So you should be perfect with all the formulas. So and you have to send the homework as per the day. So many of you are not sending, so many of you are not serious with your work. So you have to send it. So if you have any doubts, you should ask me. You have to be perfect with electricity because this chapter is having maximum marks. One numerical will 100% come in this chapter. Theory part will also, there will be more questions. So if you understand this chapter, you will understand the remaining chapters also. So this is one of the very much important chapters of physics. Okay, so I think we have finished. So those who have not sending the homework, please send the homework, and those who are not watching the videos regularly, please do watch the videos regularly. Keep watching them. If you not understand means you can watch it again. They are available in YouTube. You can watch it once, twice, even in thrice, many times you can watch it. So understand the videos, watch the videos correctly with the days, according to the days. If you go to the description in YouTube, there will be days written. If you go to the description in YouTube, if you see there, so the day will be written there. So according to the days, you watch all the videos. Okay, so now I hope you all are perfect with the remaining videos already now. So please be perfect with the formulas and how to apply them, which numerical should be written first, and all those things. So first thing is, we'll understand this problem. Okay, what is the problem given here? Two lamps, one rated 100 watt at 220 volt and the other 60 watt at 220 volt are connected in parallel to electric main supply. What current is drawn from the line? How much current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt? So the supply voltage here is 220 volt. So I have already drawn the diagram. If the supply voltage is 220 volt, so these are the two lamps. One is at 100 watt, another is at 60 watt. So both of them are connected to 220 volt supply. They have connected to 220 volt supply. They are connected in parallel. ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, parallel ಗೆ connect ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Electric main supply, what current is drawn? ಎಷ್ಟು current draw ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? How we should know that? See, this is the current drawn, that splits. Parallel ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು split ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Parallel ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ? ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ದಾಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೆಗೆಯುವಂಥ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೆಗೆಯುವಂಥ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ರೀ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಚಲೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. So this I is divided into I1 and I2. Those I1, I2 again combines and it will become I. So they have asked what is I. So when the question is given, the first thing you have to do is write what is given. Okay. So my solution is, you have to always write what is given first. What is given here? First they have given supply voltage, that is 220 volt. And they have given two powers. P1 is 100 watt, P2 is 60 watt. So what is the current? They have asked the net current. Net current is addition of the two currents, that is flowing through first lamp and flowing through second lamp. Okay, then let me say for lamp 1. For lamp 1. So for lamp 1, what will be my current? That is I1 is equal to P1 by P. P1 by P. And but P1 by P, not the formula. P is equal to VI. So I will keep I here only. This V will come this side. P by V it becomes. So P by V it becomes means P is different here for both bulbs, but V is constant. So that is why no need to write the V1 and V2. We can take it as V, because in parallel combination V is constant. In series combination current is constant. There we take only I. We don't take there I1 and I2. We take there only I. Okay. So here I1 is equal to P1 by V. Okay. I hope you all are clear. P1 is to the P1 is how much? 100 watt. Okay. So I will write it as 100. What is my V here? 220 volt. So I will write it as 220. 100 by 220. I1 is equal to. So 0 goes, 0 goes. So 10 by 22. If you divide, okay. So 0 point will come. 110 4s are 88. 120 will come. So 22 how much are? 22 5s are 110. Okay. So 22 5s are 110 means how much it is remaining? 20 minus 10 is 10. So again 100. So 100 means 22 4s are 88. So enough. We can take up to 2 digits or 3 digits you can take. So 0.454 amperes. Okay. Even if you take up to 2 digits, that's enough. 0.45 amperes. Okay. So now we have to go for lamp 2. Okay. So if you go for lamp 2, what it will become? So lamp 1 you understood? Okay. See, for lamp 2. For lamp 2. So what is there for lamp 2? I2 I have to find out. I2 will be P2 by P. What is my P2 here? 60 divided by V is 220 volt. So what will be my I2 here? Just check here. This 0 goes. 22 by 6 I have to do. Okay. So just I will rub this. You have to do the division of 22 by 6. Sorry, 6 by 22. 6 by 22 means you will not get here. So take 0, it will become 0 point. So 22 2s are 44. 60 minus 44 is 16 will come. 16 so we'll take 10 here. Okay. Then how much it will become? 22 7s are 154. So 160 or 154 of the 6 will be 2. Again if you take 0 here, 22 2s are here. Isn't it? 22 2s are 44. So 16 it will come in. So we got 3 digits, no problem. So we can make it as 0.272. Okay, now 0.454 and 0.272 we have to add. So the net current is, drawn is. So yes, net current ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Total net current ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ? I is equal to I1 plus I2. I is equal to I1 plus I2. So that is 0.454 plus 0.272. If you add this, how much you will get? I is equal to 0.24675 12. 1 will come. 42617. So 0.726. So we can say it as 0.73 amperes. It is 726 means it will come to next one. So we can say it as 0.73 amperes. So I hope for lamp 2 you can understand here. I2 is equal to P2 by V. Note, current 2 andre P2 divided by V 220 volt 60 by 220 volt correct ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಾವು 0.272 ಬರ್ತದೆ. So if 0.454 or 0.272 ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you will get the net current. So the net current drawn is I is the net current drawn. They have asked for the same thing. What current is drawn from the line? Total line le ಎಷ್ಟು current drawn ಆಗ್ತದೆ, that is the net current. The net current drawn is, net ಅಂದ್ರೆ confuse ಆಗಬೇಡಿ, net ಅಂದ್ರೆ total ಅಂದ, or you can say so the total current drawn is, okay, I is equal to I1 plus I2. What is my I1 here? I1 we already find it as 0.454 amperes. So I2 we find it as C. I2 is equal to 0.272 ampere. I have not written ampere there. So it should be written. Okay. It should be written. It carries marks. In the exam, don't forget to write ampere. Okay. Sometimes we forget that. Even I forgot means you will also forget that. But don't forget. Make sure that you have written SI units properly, because SI unit carries the marks. Sometimes you get 100 out of 100. If ampere is not written there, you might lose 1 marks there. When you cross 95 plus, these kind of things will be checked more. Okay, when you cross 90 or 95 plus, these kind of things will be checked more. Then they cut the marks again. So that is why you have to be perfect. You have to you have to write the SI units properly. See there, this is parallel circuit means what? Voltage is remaining constant. The current is dividing. So the first whatever current comes here, that only divides in lamp 1 and lamp 2. So lamp 1 the current is flowing is 0.45 ampere. For lamp 2 the current is flowing is 0.272 ampere. Again it will combine back and it will getting add up. That means I is nothing but I1 plus I2 again. So 0.454 plus 0.272. It will become 0.726. So 26 can be taken as 30. So now ಅಂದಾಜು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 26 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ದಾಟಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು 30 ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಜು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. So 30 is nothing but 3 here, 0.73. So you can write 0 here, that is 30. 0.730 is also same, 0.73 also same. Point ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ 0.25 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು, 0.250 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು, 0.2500 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು. All three are same only. After point, that is decimal number ಒಳಗ prime important number ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ 0 ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಅದರ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ 0 ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲಿದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ 3.45. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು 0 ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ನಾನು ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗ ಇದ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು 0 ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಅದು ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಚ್ಚಿ ಕಡೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಆ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ 0 ಬರೀಬಹುದು. It will not make any difference. Okay, so I is equal to 0.73 amperes is the final answer. Or if you take, you can take even only 2 digits also. 0.45 ampere you can take here, you can take 0.27 ampere, add both of them, you will get 0.72 ampere. Even though you make like that, that is also correct. Okay, this is the 15th problem. I hope you all have understood this. So you better take a screenshot or pause the video and write down the problem. Okay, you must write down this problem and solution. Okay, will you take the screenshot? Okay, so we'll move to the next problem. So students, this is our 16th question. Which uses more energy, a 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes? They have given us two things. One is TV set, other one is toaster. And that 250 watt TV set is used for 1 hour and this toaster is used for 10 minutes. Which is consuming the more energy? So which device has consumed more electrical energy or heat energy? Okay, so now first thing you have to do is, whenever question is given, just write what is given. What is given us? Which uses more energy? A 250 watt TV set. That means power is 250 watt. So we'll write here for TV set. We'll take first for TV set. What is the power? P is equal to 250 watt In 1 hour, what will be my time here? See, t is always been in second. So first they have given it as 1 hour. 1 hour means I have to convert this to seconds. In 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. In every minute, how many seconds are there? 60 seconds. So in 1 hour, there is 6 6 36 and 2 zeros. 3600 seconds. So in 1 hour, there are 3600 seconds. So you have to remember that 1 hour contains 3600 seconds. So now I have to go for the energy consumed. That means heat energy or energy is given by. Now energy used by TV set H equal to, what is the formula? We have three formulas. H equal to VIT, H equal to I square RT, and H is equal to PT. So VI is nothing but power. So we have the formula H equal to VIT. Okay, this VI is nothing but power. P is equal to VI. So we can put P there. P into T. How much power it is carrying? 250 watt into T. T is how much here? 1 hour. But we should not take this. We have to take in seconds. Because as I already told you, SI units must be considered. We have to consider the SI unit. I hope you all are clear with this. We have to consider SI units. So 250 into 3600. I think, is it visible? Yeah. 250 into 3600. Multiply this 25 into 36. If you multiply, you will get it as 900. You can multiply. Okay. 25 into 36. If you multiply, 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 3, 15. So you can make 3 5s are 15. So 3 2s are 6 1 7. So 0 5 5 10 1 7 1 9. So you will get it 900. Those who are very good with maths, no need to write all these things. You can directly write the answer. But if you are not understanding, then you have to do like this. Okay, 900 we got. So what is this? This is the energy, heat energy. So we will say it in joules. So this is only 25 into 36 is 900. Again we have still 3 more zeros. We have to add those zeros. So H is equal to 9 lakh. See, you need 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 9 lakh joules. The heat energy or the energy used by TV set is 9 lakh joules. That is used by TV set in how many minutes? In 1 hour is 9 lakh joules. I hope you all have understood this. For TV set is over. Now I want to check for toaster. Okay, for toaster. For toaster, how much is the power? Power is equal to 1200 watt. Is not it? Power they have given it as 1200 watt, and time they have given it very less this time, 10 minutes. This should be converted into seconds. In 1 minute, how many seconds are there? 60. 10 into 60, 600 seconds. So T is equals to 600 seconds. So power is equal to 1200 watt. Time is equal to 10 minutes. 10 into 60 is 600 seconds. So H is equal to, that means power consumed by a 1200 watt toaster. That means energy, sorry, not power. Energy used by a toaster. Energy used by a toaster is how much? That is H is equal to P into T. What is PT? ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. PT ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ, P into T ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ, VI ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ, V into I ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, PT. So P into T. P is how much? 1200. T is how much? 600. So 12 6 78. How many zeros are 1, 2, 3, 4? So 7,80,000. Okay. So 7,80,000 joules. You should not forget writing the assignment. Heat energy or energy is expressed in terms of joules. So H is equal to 7,80,000 joules. So let me explain you once again. So which is using more energy here? Of course, this TV set. TV set is using more energy. So last we have to write the conclusion that which uses more energy. There you have to write TV set uses more energy. TV set uses more energy. Okay, in 1 hour compared to toaster for 10 minutes. Toaster for 10 minutes. You have to write the conclusion. More energy. TV set uses more energy in 1 hour compared to toaster for 10 minutes. Or in 10 minutes you can write. Or if you want to write, you can write only TV set uses more energy compared to toaster. Okay, TV set uses more energy compared to toaster. Okay. Or you can say completely you can write 250 watt TV set in 1 hour uses more energy compared to 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes. So that is the better. So we can write it like that also. So let me rub this. So complete sentence you can write 250 watt. That means you can write clearly because what is given there they have given it for 1 hour and this they have given it for 10 minutes. That is why I will write completely. A 250 watt set TV set in 1 hour uses more energy than a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes. So this is the conclusion. So for this also there is a mark. You have to write this. Last sentence you have to write this. A 250 watt TV set in 1 hour uses more energy than a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes. Okay. So let me explain this quickly. Which uses more energy, a 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes? 1 task 1 TV set use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಒಂದು ಟೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದರ ಪವರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರದ್ದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎನರ್ಜಿ H is equal to here heat energy comes. So H is equal to ಏನು P into T. So P ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 250, T ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವರ್ದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. 16 to 60 so 1 hour containing 3600 seconds. So 3600 seconds ಅಂದ್ರೆ 250 into 3600 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 9 lakh. So 25 into 36 900 ಆಗ್ತದೆ 340 ಇಡಬೇಕು. So you need 10,000 lakh. So total heat energy used by TV set just 1 task 9 lakh joules. Okay, you can write it here now energy used by TV set in 1 hour. Okay, you can write it in bracket that in 1 hour. So then you can write it as in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes. Okay, now H is equal to 9 lakh joules for toaster. P is equal to 1200 watt. T equal to 10 minutes means we have to convert this into second again because the second is our SI unit. 10 into 60 will get 600 seconds. So energy used by a toaster in 10 minutes is H is equal to P into T. So 1200 into 600, that means we will get it as 12 6 see we have made little bit mistake here. 12 6 is how much? 72. I have written it as 78. So these kind of small mistakes also counts. Okay, so don't do those kind of mistakes. So if you do the mistake, that is why I told you to let us recall it again. So in exam also, when you finish the problem, once you check again, because even a small mistake there will be a loss of marks. So 12 6 are 72, so we will get it as 7,20,000. That means our TV set is using more energy than toaster for 10 minutes. So a 250 watt TV set in 1 hour uses more energy than a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes. So this is the problem. So you can take the screenshot of this, or you can pause the video and write down. Okay. So I will give you 5 seconds to take the screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this ends your class. Okay, still 2 more problems are there, and one numerical is there, and another one is give reasons are there. So we'll see those things in the next class. Okay, so next class this chapter is going to finish. So you be perfect with this chapter. Okay, and I am going to conduct a test on this. So please be perfect while conducting a test. You write without looking at the book. Okay, I will give you time. So you have to write without looking at the book. So I hope these numericals are clear and you understood this. So we'll see the remaining 2 problems or remaining 2 questions in the next class.